showing you how to fix Mafia 2 error 0xc multiple 07b. So all you have to do is just to follow the link that I will leave in the description. Make sure to follow it, and then it will direct you to Google Drive here. So what I want you to do is just to download this folder. It will contain these folders. Make sure to open it and then enter the folder that you have downloaded, go to System32 and then copy all these files and then go to your PC, go to your local disk, so go to YouTube, do Windows here and then scroll down till you find, just wait for it, System32. As I said here, you will have System32, so I wanted to copy this one that you have downloaded and then paste them here in this folder and then go back to the other one system WoW64, so copy them as before and then just go back here to your Windows, just keep scrolling down and then you'll find system WOW64 and then paste them as the first one and then just restart your PC and then play your game without any problem. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.